Hey guys, we all have a desire to become rich, right? But that is possible only when we have both active income and passive income. So today I'll share 5 ways of passive income that will help you grow your income to major heights. First, let's see the difference between active income and passive income. Active income is basically the income that you get on a regular, timely basis for the job that you're doing. So, like if you're working and you get a monthly salary, right? So, this monthly salary, what you receive is active income. Whereas passive income are your side earnings. That is an additional source of income for you. So, for example, let's say you're working but you also invest in stocks, or the money that you receive via various interests, or if you have sublet your apartment, if you have rented your apartment to someone. So, all these type of earnings they come under passive income. I hope you've understood the difference between active income and passive income. So let's look at the methods now. The first method for a great passive income would be to create a course or an ebook. So this method, it has been proven to be effective for a lot of them. It can be any type of skill or a topic, like graphic designing, photography, Excel, marketing techniques, and so on. And do not think that you don't have any skill or the kind of knowledge that is required to create a course or an ebook, because all of us have at least something that we are good at. And I don't mean this only skill wise, but I also mean in life. So for example, if you are a person who is always happy or does not worry much about things, then you can make an ebook on that as well. And that is, something like how can one enjoy life, or you can also spend some time with yourself, so that will help you realize a lot of things. And you'll be able to understand what you're good at. And some people are really good at giving some advice, and some people are good listeners. So all this, you can make a book on what it takes to be a great listener. How can one be a great listener? So you can definitely make a course or an ebook on these kind of topics as well. And where can you sell your course? You can either create a website of your own or sell it on platforms like udemy.com as well. And if you want me to create a video on how to make a website, comment learn website in the comment section below, and then I shall make a video on that as well. The second one is investment in stocks and mutual funds. So, here in stocks, I don't mean day trading, even though day trading is a very good source of income, but it does not exactly come under passive income. What I mean here is investment for the long term. There is this concept called compound effect, which has a very good advantage. So here all you need to do is invest only 2000 rupees per month for the next 30 years, and you will have a higher return. Let me show it to you. So this is a mutual fund calculator, and the investment amount is 2000 rupees, and this is frequency per month, and the return can be 15% per annum. The duration at 30 years. So here you're investing 2000 rupees every month, and expected return per annum is 15%. In the next 30 years, you'll have approximately 1.4 crores. And in this, the amount that you've invested is 2000 for 12 months. That is only 24,000 per year for 30 years. It's just 7,20,000. So with only so much investment, the return that you're getting is very high. It is in crores. So this is called compound effect. This is how effective compound effect is. So if you are going for a job, try to take out at least this 2000 rupees every month and invest it, so that in the long term you will have much higher returns from that. The third method is blogging. So, if you're passionate about something, then blogging is one of the best ways for earning a passive income. And it does not require too much of investment either. You'll only need 1500 to 3000 rupees to start a blog. And if you wish to know more about blogging, then you can check out my other videos, for which I've given the link in the description. The fourth method is YouTube channel. This is again another best way to generate passive income, and it will not require you to do too much of work either. So for example, let's say you like bike rides, then all you need to do is get a camera and record your journey until you reach your destination, right? It is like you are doing something that you're enjoying. So this way, if you consistently upload videos, you can easily get income every day through YouTube. And if you're not comfortable showing your face on YouTube, then do check out my other video where you'll find different ways to create content on YouTube without revealing your identity. I'll give the link for that in the description, and you'll get much more ideas if there is something else you want to try on YouTube. The fifth method is starting a business. Now, not every business requires tons of investment. You can even start off with a small online business that requires very minimum investment. It can be any type of business. And after you have realized and identified your need for business, you can make an investment accordingly. And for those who are between the age 18 to 25, this is one of the best time to start a business, guys, because at this age usually we do not have too many, major responsibilities like paying off loans or debts, some kind of thing like that. So you can put your focus onto your business and you can carry out its tasks, everyday tasks easily. And because it's a business, there will definitely be some obstacles and some risks that you'll have to take. So if you calculate them properly and use your presence of mind in all these kind of situations, you will easily be able to operate. And do not be afraid of failure, guys, because at the end, even if you fail, there's at least a lot that you learn from it. And if you have a business idea, in my opinion, just go for it. Don't be afraid of anything. Even if you're 25 plus, it's completely fine. You can definitely go for business. It's just that there is an advantage for people, below that age. That is what I was intending to tell. So, yeah, if you have an idea, just go for it. So today we've seen 5 ways that will help you generate a passive income. Let me know in the comment section below the idea that you like the most and that you're willing to take up. And before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.